Greetings, my name is Taylor Dove and I will be doing my oral assessment on the bones. Alright, you have the skull bone, which is made up of the mandible, the maxilla, and I will do another video going in depth on those skull bones. But then you come down, you have your sternum right between, which is your breastbone. Then you have your ribs. You have true, false, and floating ribs. You have your humerus. You have your humerus bone. Then you have your ulna and radius. Your ulna is on the pinky side. Your radius is on the thumb side. Then you can go to the back column, the vertebrae column, which is the cervical at the top, thoracic in the middle, lumbar at the bottom, and then you have fused bones, which consist of the sacrum and the ischium. On the front, you have the pubis. If you go down, you have your femur, patella, and your femur is your thigh bone, patella is your knee. You have your tibia and fibula. Tibia is your biggest bone, a bigger bone than with both of those. And then you have also in your hands, you have your carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. And on your feet, you have your tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. And I do have a video explaining those in depth. And now I will describe the tarsal bones. The tarsals are tarsals, metatarsals, phalanges. So you have your medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform. This this bone right here is your cuboid. Then you have your navicular, you have your talus, and the calcaneus. Once again, that is the medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform, cuboid, navicular, talus, and calcaneus. That makes up the 7 tarsal bones. Greetings, this is Taylor. You can see my ring. I just want to describe the carpal bones. The carpal bones, we have the trapezium, which is the first to the left. Second to the left is the trapezoid. Then you have the capitate, the hamate. If you go down, the biggest bone in the carpal is the scaphoid. Beside the scaphoid is the lunate. And then you have the triquetral. And on the side, you have the pisiform. So once again, that's the trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate, scaphoid, lunate, triquetral, and the pisiform on the side.